Most mornings don't feel calm. The alarm rings, the mind feels heavy, and before you even take a breath, your thumb has already unlocked your phone. Notifications enter first, your own thoughts enter last. It's not that you don't want a peaceful morning. It's that your nervous system has learned a different rhythm: rush, react, respond, repeat. In this video, we're not chasing a perfect 5 a.m. routine. We're building a calm morning routine your brain can actually trust. A simple sequence of habits that quietly clears your mind so the rest of your day doesn't start in chaos. Right after you wake up, your brain goes through what scientists call the cortisol awakening response. Cortisol isn't the enemy. It's the hormone that helps you feel awake, alert, and ready. But when your first input is noise, like social media, messages, stressful news, your brain learns to pair waking up with being overwhelmed. Your calm morning routine is not about doing more. It's about designing the first 30 to 60 minutes to send a different signal to your nervous system. You are safe. You can start slowly. You have clarity. When light, breath, and simple actions come before screens and decisions, your mind stops fighting the morning and begins to flow with it. If your mornings feel messy, it doesn't mean you're lazy or broken. Most people build routines based on willpower and motivation, but your brain builds routines based on repetition and safety. A calm morning routine works not because it is impressive, but because it is repeatable. You don't need 30 steps. You just need a short, gentle pattern your body can recognize every day, even on days when you feel heavy. We'll keep this simple. 5 small anchors you can weave into any morning. Anchor 1. A calm wake up, not a shock. When the alarm rings, don't rush into the day, but don't hit snooze endlessly either. Sit up slowly. Place your feet on the floor. Take 3 gentle breaths, in through the nose, out through the mouth. Tell your mind, quietly, today starts calm. This tiny moment teaches your brain, we don't wake up in panic. We wake up with presence. Anchor 2, light plus water before screens. Before you check anything, give your body 2 simple signals: light and hydration. Open the curtain or step near a window and drink a glass of water slowly. Morning light helps regulate your circadian rhythm, your internal clock for energy and sleep. Water gently wakes your system without caffeine shock. During this short minute, let your phone stay outside your hand. Anchor 3, 1 minute of body awareness. You don't need a full workout. Just give your nervous system a signal of movement. Stand, roll your shoulders, stretch your neck slowly, and notice where your body feels tight. As you move, keep your breath soft and steady. This is not about burning calories. It's about telling your brain, I am here in my body in this morning. Anchor 4, gentle mental clarity. 1 page or 1 question. Before you dive into tasks, give your mind a simple, calm focus. You can write 1 page in a notebook or answer 1 question. What would make today feel meaningful, even in a small way? No pressure to plan everything. Just pick 1 thing that matters and let it be your quiet North Star. Anchor 5, protected first block, 20 to 30 foot Kong Yolan. When your morning routine ends, choose 1 calm block of 20 to 30 minutes. During this time, no social media, no endless scrolling, no jumping between 10 tabs. Instead, work on that one meaningful thing you chose. You are not trying to finish everything. You are training your brain to experience quiet focus right after a calm morning routine. Imagine repeating this rhythm most days. A gentler wake up, light and water, light and Warnis, a minute of body awareness, one clear question, and a protected block of focus. Your life won't change overnight, but your mornings will stop feeling like a fight and start feeling like a quiet invitation. You'll notice that on the days you keep this calm morning routine, your mind is less noisy, your reactions are slower and kinder, and decisions feel a little clearer. You don't need a perfect morning. You just need a repeatable one your nervous system can trust. One calm morning at a time. That's how your days quietly begin to change.